Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do important short questions of chapter trigonometry. So our first question is, in an acute angled triangle, in an acute angled triangle ABC, if sine A plus B minus C is equals to 1 by 2 and cos B plus C minus A is equals to 1 by 2, then find angle A, comma angle B and angle C. So our question is, in an acute angled triangle ABC, if sine A plus B minus C is equals to 1 by 2 and cos B plus C minus C is equals to 1 by 2, we have to find all the angles. So first let us write the given things. Given sine A plus B minus C is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but which angle of sine? Sine 30, right? So this is nothing but A plus B plus minus C is equals to what? 30, right? Since we are equalizing this. So this will be, or let it be equation 1. Take cos now. Cos B plus C minus A is equals to 1 by 2. What is cos 1 by 2? Cos 60. So this will be equalized. So B plus C minus A is equals to what? 60. Let it be equation 2. Now let us solve equation 1 and 2. So this will be A plus B minus C is equals to 30 minus A plus B plus C is equals to 60. A, C cancels. 2B is equals to 90 degrees and B is equals to what? 2 ones are 245. So the angle of B is what? 45. Now substitute B in any of the equation. So substituting B in 1. So this will be A plus 45 minus C is equals to 30. So this will be A minus C is equals to 30 minus 45 will be minus 15. Right? Let this be equation 3. Now again substituting B in 2. Substituting B in 2. What is our equation 2? Minus A plus 45 plus C is equals to 60. So this will be minus A plus C is equals to 60 minus 45. So this will be minus A plus C is equals to 15. Let it be 4. So solving 3 and 4. A minus C is equals to minus 15. Minus A plus C is equals to 15. Yes? Yes or no? See here. Yeah. So here we are not going to, the solution is not going to get, right? Because all this will be cancelled. So what we have to do here is, first we have to take in any angle of a triangle, what is the condition? All the angles will be equals to what? 180 degrees. So we'll take A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, our B is what? A plus 45 plus C is equals to 180. So A plus C is equals to 180 minus 45. So this will be A plus C is equals to 180 minus 45. How much? 135. Let it be equation 5. So solve any 3 or 5 or 4 and 5. So solving equation 3 and 5. So what is 3 here? A plus C is equals to 135 is one equation. A minus C is equals to minus 15. So this will be cancelled. 2A is equals to 120. 2 ones are 2, 60 is. So therefore the value of A is what? 60. Right? Next we have to find the value of C. We are having B, we are having A, we just have to substitute the value. So substituting A and B in equation 4. So this will be A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. 60 plus 45 plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So this will be 105 plus C 105 plus C is equals to 180 degrees. C is equals to 180 minus 105. So C is equals to 180 minus 105 is nothing but 75. Therefore, angle A is what? 60. Angle B is what? 45. And angle C is what? 75. This is your answer. Second, our next question is, if sine theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta is equals to 4 and the angle lies between 0 and 90 degrees, then find the value of theta. To find this type of questions, what we have to do first, let us write the equation first. Sine theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta is equals to 4. Okay, then cross multiplication. Sine theta 1 plus cos theta plus sine theta into 1 minus cos theta by, your LCM will be 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, which is equals to 4. Okay, let us multiply each and everything. Sine theta into 1, sine theta into cos theta plus sine theta cos theta, again plus 1 into sine theta minus sine theta cos theta divided by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta is equals to 4. So this will be plus and minus will get cancelled. So 2 sine theta plus sine theta is 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 4. So this can be written as sine theta by, you know, the trigonometry identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here sine square theta is equals to what? 1 minus cos square theta, right? So here in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, we can write sine square theta is equals to 4. This one sign will get cancelled. 2 is equals to 4 sine theta. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this can be written as 1. 2 I am taking this side, will be 1 by 2 is equals to sine theta. What is theta of 1 by 2 in case of sine? Sine 30. Sine 30 is equals to sine theta. So therefore the value of theta is what? 30 degrees. This is our answer. Let us do next question. Question number 3rd. Prove that, this is nothing but prove that 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sine theta is equals to 2 sec theta. So in case of this, we have to take any one side and we have to prove this one is equals to this or this one is equals to this. So what we'll do, we'll take the LHS side. LHS 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sine theta. So this will be, what we will do first, we'll cross multiply. Okay, so this will be what? 1 plus sine theta whole square plus cos square theta by cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. So this will be equals to, right, a plus b whole square. So 1 plus sine square theta plus 2ab. So 2 sine theta plus cos square theta by 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. So this will be sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this will be 1 plus 2 sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. So this will be equals to 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. So if I am taking 2 common here, 1 plus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. So this will be get cancelled. This will be 2 by cos theta. 1 by cos is nothing but secant. So 2 sec theta, which is equals to what? RHS. This is our answer. Let us do question number 4. Show that sec theta minus tan theta whole square is equals to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, we have to take any one side. I'm taking LHS. Sec theta minus tan theta whole square. So this will be sec can be written as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So this will be 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. So this will be 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. So cos square again can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, right? By 1 minus sin square theta by the trigonometry identity just now as we solved. So this will be equals to 1 minus sin theta, a minus b, no? 1 minus sin theta. I can write like this, right? And this will be in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So 1 sin will get cancelled. Our answers will be 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, which is nothing but our RHS. And let us do last important question, question number 5. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P, this is very important, then prove that sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. Okay, like what we have to do here, we have to suppose something. If sec theta plus tan theta is equals to P, then prove that sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So first, sec theta plus tan theta is equals to P. Sec can be written as cos 1 by cos theta plus sin by cos. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Cos theta is equals to P. So this will be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equals to P. Okay, now I'm taking this side and I'm proving this one. So let therefore P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So this will be 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square minus 1 by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square plus 1. This can be done as 1 plus sin theta whole square minus cos square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin theta whole square plus cos square theta by cos square theta. So this cos square will get cancelled. This will be equals to 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta a plus b whole square minus cos square theta by again same 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta, right? So this will be equals to same sin square theta minus cos square theta cannot be 1, but this can be 1. So we can write like this. 1 minus cos square theta is what? Sin square theta. So sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta. So this will be 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta. So we can take 2 common. Yes. So if I am taking 2 common, what will be the next answer? If I am taking 2 common here, so if I am taking 2 sin theta common, so this will be 1 plus sin theta by again 2. If I am taking down 2 common, 1 plus sin theta. So this 1 plus sin theta and 2 will get cancelled. Your answer will be sin theta, which is equals to RHS. So these are all very, very important short questions of trigonometry. Please practice well. Please share my video, like my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.